Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. Today I'm doing a room refresh clean with me. In today's video, I'm going to use red, silver, and white. I start by cleaning my bedroom because it's a white bedroom. I just have to keep it clean at all time. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. Now I'm putting my mattress cover. So some people don't like to do it, but me, I cannot go without it. I really like to protect my mattresses, so each bed in my house have a mattress I protect, especially in the boys' room. I hope my video inspire you to get up, get moving, and have some cleaning done, okay? Now I'm going to let the music play, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, okay? If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Keep on watching. This is the finished look, guys. I really like the way it turns out because I like it white, but because the bed's already white, I didn't want it too white. I didn't want it too red. I think it's perfect just the way it is. If you guys do like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video.